and dependent variables. A variable is a category which you are trying to measure. It could be object, event, idea, feeling, time period during an experiment. And there are two types of the variables, independent and dependent. An independent variable is a variable that stands alone and is not changed by the other variables you are trying to measure. For example, someone's age might be an independent variable, as other factors such as what they eat, how much they go to school, how much they watch television, they aren't going to change a person's age. So this is why age is independent, it's standing alone, it's not will be changed depend on the other variable. Dependent variable, opposite, it's variable that depends and will change, depend on other factors or variables. For example, a test score, grade on the exam, for example, could be a dependent variable because it could change depending on several factors, such as how much you study, how much you sleep before exam, and how hungry you are during the exam, for example. So all this is influence test score. The better you sleep, the more you study. If you're not hungry during the exam, so you will have better score. When you need to classify a variable on independent and dependent, you're trying to see if the one variable causes some kind of change in other variables. Independent variable causes a change in dependent variable, but it is not possible that dependent variable could cause change in independent variable. So now we will go through example. If we look in here on this graph, 10, 20, 30, this is hours. It's a time spent on studying. And if we look in here, A, B, and C, it's a test score. So if somebody studies 30 hours, they're more likely to have A. If somebody studies 20 hours, they're likely to have B. If somebody study 10 hours, they're likely to have C on the exam. So test score considered dependent variable because it's depend on the hours students spend to study. So time spending studying causes a change in the test score, and it is not possible that test score could cause a change in the time spending studying. We see that time spending studying must be independent variable and test score must be dependent variable because sentence doesn't make sense in other way